Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple hidden trick that can significantly boost your phone's speed. So, how does this actually work? Every time you open an app, close an app, or switch between screens, your phone plays a short visual animation. By default, these animations are set to a standard speed. So we are going to access a hidden settings menu to change the speed of the animations to make your phone feel much snappier. So, what you do is go to your settings, then go to About Phone. Now, you're just going to tap on your phone's build number a few times until a message pops up and says, "You are now a developer." So now, simply go back to Main Settings and search for Developer Options. It is usually inside Additional Settings, and inside there, you'll find Developer Options. Okay? Click on that. Now, be very careful in this menu because any small changes that you don't know of can cause a lot of issues on your phone. So over here, what you do is look for a section called Drawing, which should be right over here. And inside these settings, you'll find three different options: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. By default, these will all be set to Animation Scale 1x. Now, what we'll do is choose Animation Scale 5x for all three of them, setting them to 5x will make the animation play at double the speed. And if you want your phone to feel insanely fast, you can even turn the animations off completely. So, if you click on that option, you can directly click on Animation Off for all three of them, like this, and then there won't be any animation anymore. So, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.